I'm Sharayu Kurne from MTech CSE. I have taken United Nations General Assembly voting dataset. I'm going to perform analysis on this. So my topic is United Nations General Assembly voting data analysis. In data science, we have data analytic life cycle. The data analytic life cycle defines analysis process from spanning discovery to project completion. The phases of the data analytic life cycle are discovery, data preparation, exploratory data analysis, model building, and communicate results. So we are going to see these phases for the dataset of voting. So the work progress is shown in the figure. It includes exploratory data analysis, discovery, and data preparation. So the first phase is discovery. In discovery, the project is based on the voting done by different countries of the resolutions. The voting is for resolutions based on peace and security like concerns, identifying voting patterns of all the participating countries. So the introduction to United Nations, the intergovernmental organization formed on 24th October 1945. Initially it had 51 countries join. Now it's increased approx to 200. Maintaining international peace and security, promoting human rights, encouraging social and economic development is the objective of this organization. The United Nations General Assembly is one of the 6 principal organs of the United Nations. The 2/3 majority of voting is required to pass the resolution. The dataset introduction. The dataset is taken from Kaggle. The source link is given here. The dataset consists of 4 attributes: RCID, session, vote, and country code. So there are 508929 records in the dataset. This is the snapshot of the dataset. The vote column in the dataset has a number that represents the country's vote. 1 is for yes, 2 is for abstain, 3 is for no, 8 is not present, 9 not a member. So the next phase is the data preparation. As a part of data preparation, we have used the filtering package, that is DPLYR package, and the available country code package. So this is the R code to load a package, library package name. Example, library in basis DPLYR. So this is the R code for the analysis. Here I have taken the dataset, votes, and here the description for the country's dataset. So the library DPLY package is loaded. Here print votes prints the votes dataset as seen here. So in data preparation, we are going to filter the rows. One step of data cleaning is removing observations that we are not interested in. In this case, we want to remove not present and not a member. So we have removed 8 and 9 from our vote attribute. The code for removing this is filter for votes that are yes, abstain, or no. Like we have to remove 8, 9. So 8, 9 is removed from the dataset. The next step is adding a year column. The next step of data cleaning is manipulating variables to make them more informative. In this case, we have a session column that is hard to interpret intuitively. But since the UN started voting in 1946 and holds one session per year, we can get the year of a UN resolution by adding 1945 to the session number. For adding a year column, this is the code written. So here the year column is added into the dataset. Next is adding a country column. The country codes in the C code column are codes corresponding to the country. This isn't ideal for an analysis since we would like to work with recognizable country names. We can use the country code package to translate. So here we have attached the country code package, and here we are adding a country column within the dataset using mutate function. So here we can see the country package and the countries are added into the dataset. So the resulting dataset can be seen as this, with the year and country columns added. So summarizing the full dataset, in this analysis we are going to focus on percentage of votes that are yes as a metric for the agreeableness of countries. We will start by finding this summary for the entire dataset. The fraction of all votes in their history that were yes. Within our call to summarize, we can use and to find the total number of votes and mean vote is equals to 1 to find the fraction of yes votes, as yes represents 1 in the vote attribute. So this is the summarization of yes, and we can see the results, total percentage. So this is the result as shown below. So next we can summarize by year how much the average agreeableness of countries change from year to year. So this is for the change from year to year code. So this will show the percentage S from year to year. Summarizing by country, what are the countries that voted yes least often, or the ones that voted yes most often? So for summarize by country, we can summarize using group by country. Here are the results for percentages group by countries. We can eliminate the less significant terms, like filter out countries with fewer than 100 votes to get more stable insights. So this is to filter out the countries. With fewer than 100 votes. These are the results displayed. Next is filtering summarized output. So we are filtering here by year, summarizing this. The results are shown below. So the third step is data visualization. As a part of our exploratory data analysis, we are using a package ggplot2 for plotting the graphs. So here the library ggplot2 is loaded. Here we are creating a line plot. So plotting a line over time. The percentage of yes votes over time is shown in the graph. This is the R code for that, and the graph can be plotted like this. So using a scatter plot also we can plot the percentage of yes votes over time. For scatter plot, the function is given here. So this is the function for scatter plot. So summarizing the data by year and country. Here I have plotted the graph. So this is the summarization by year and country. So this is filtered version for by year, and here the ggplot is plotted for this. So plotting multiple countries we can do. Also country comparison plot is there. For every country the separate plot is plotted. So this was the analysis for United Nations General Assembly dataset using R. Thank you.